Hey musicians, have you ever looked at a sheet of music and wondered what that fancy symbol at the beginning of the staff is? That's the treble clef. And in just 2 minutes, we're going to demystify it and learn the notes it represents using a simple anchor note. The treble clef, also known as the G clef, is the most common clef in music. Its primary job is to tell us that the notes on the staff are in a higher pitch range. Notice the clef's second curve wraps around the second line from the bottom. This line is G. This G note is our anchor. Once you know where G is, you can find every other note on the staff. Since we know the second line up is G, we can easily find other notes by counting up or down the musical alphabet. Let's find the note below G. Going down, we just go to the next letter in the alphabet. G, then F. The next line below F is E. Now let's go up. The space above G is A. Above A is the line for B, and so on. Remember, the musical alphabet just repeats A, B, C, D, E, F, G, then back to A, and again. Now let's take a look at this in a digital audio workstation, or DAW, like Soundtrap. You can see here on the piano roll how the notes on the staff correspond to the keyboard. This visual representation helps us understand how the notes relate to each other in terms of pitch. You'll also notice there are some numbers with the letter name. The treble clef is a key tool for any musician, and now you know its function and how to find every note by using the G anchor. Keep practicing this method and you'll be reading music like a pro in no time. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick lessons.